Well, the threat of legal action was always there for Prince Andrew, but the window of opportunity was closing for Virginia Giuffre. She's taken this action under New York's Child Victims Act, which allows her to have more time to pursue claims. It gives victims a much longer period to pursue claims against their alleged offenders, even if those alleged crimes took place decades before. But that window of opportunity was closing for Virginia Giuffre, so she has taken this action now. She alleges that Prince Andrew abused her here in London, in New York, and also the US Virgin Islands. She alleges that she was subjected to either explicit or implied threats, which meant that she felt she had to do what she was told to, otherwise she feared what could happen to her. And her lawyers in this claim have alleged that Prince Andrew used his power and his connections to abuse someone who they say was a frightened child.
Given she has now taken this legal action in New York, will Prince Andrew ultimately be obliged to face those accusations in a court of law?
Look, he may do, but it's definitely not certain that this will go to trial. That's a possibility. It's also possible that this civil claim will be settled out of court, potentially with money changing hands. And this is still early in the piece, so it may ultimately be that Ms Giuffre withdraws the claims that she's made against Prince Andrew. Previously, Prince Andrew has been accused by prosecutors in New York of trying to dodge their questions when they were trying to inquire into Jeffrey Epstein's crimes. Prince Andrew's team has strenuously denied that. But now that this is, I guess, a new legal case, there's going to be a team of lawyers poring over information, digging deep, and that may be quite uncomfortable for the royal family.
Yeah, how damaging has this been for the royal family, Nick? They don't often make any response. He did do an interview some months back that did not go down very well.
No, everyone remembers that interview. It was quite extraordinary. In that interview, he did strenuously deny any involvement in what's been alleged. In fact, he said that he couldn't even remember meeting Virginia Giuffre, despite that picture emerging of the two of them standing together. There's been no word from Buckingham Palace, and also no word, except a firm no comment from Prince Andrew's private spokesman. This is something that the royal family did try to contain. Shortly after the claims came to light, Prince Andrew stepped down as a senior royal, and he has no doubt been hoping that some of this will go away. But with this new court case now being launched, it may ultimately be up to a New York court to decide where the truth lies.
Nick Dole in London, good to talk. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Bev.